Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying another 9 syllables. That's from here until there. Ta, dha, and fa. It is on page number 14 of Al-Qaida Nuraniyah. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So the first syllable we have is Ta fatha alif sukun. Ta is a heavy letter. It has fatha on top of it. It is followed by alif, and alif has hidden sukun. Ta fatha alif sukun. Ta. Ta fatha alif sukun. Ta. Ta fatha alif sukun. Ta. So the next syllable we have is Ta dhamma waw sukun. Ta is a heavy letter. It has dhamma on top of it, followed by waw. Waw has a sukun, hidden sukun, and this alif is silent. Ta dhamma waw sukun. Tu. Ta dhamma waw sukun. Tu. Ta dhamma waw sukun. Tu. The next syllable we have is Ta kasra ya sukun. Ti. Ta is a heavy letter. It has kasra underneath, and it is followed by ya, and ya has a hidden sukun. Ta kasra ya sukun. Ti. Ta kasra ya sukun. Ti. Ta kasra ya sukun. Ti. So now all 3 syllables we have Ta, Tu, Ti. Ta, Tu, Ti. Ta, Tu, Ti. So the next syllable we have is Dha fatha alif sukun. Dha is a heavy letter. It has fatha on top of it, followed by alif, and alif has hidden sukun. Dha fatha alif sukun. Dha. Dha fatha alif sukun. Dha. Dha fatha alif sukun. Dha. The next syllable we have is Dha dhamma waw sukun. Dha is a heavy letter. It has dhamma on top of it. It is followed by waw. Waw has hidden sukun, and this alif is silent. Dha dhamma waw sukun. Dhu. Dha dhamma waw sukun. Dhu. Dha dhamma waw sukun. Dhu. The next syllable we have is Dha kasra ya sukun. Dha is a heavy letter. It has kasra underneath, followed by ya, and ya has hidden sukun. Dha kasra ya sukun. Dhi. Dha kasra ya sukun. Dhi. Dha kasra ya sukun. Dhi. So now we have all 3 syllables. Dha, dhu, dhi. Dha, dhu, dhi. Dha, dhu, dhi. The next syllable we have is Fa fatha alif sukun. Fa is a light letter. It has fatha on top of it, followed by alif, and alif has hidden sukun. Fa fatha alif sukun. Fa. Fa fatha alif sukun. Fa. Fa fatha alif sukun. Fa. The next syllable we have is Fa dhamma waw sukun. Fa is a light letter. It has dhamma on top of it, followed by waw. Waw has hidden sukun, and this alif is silent. Fa dhamma waw sukun. Fu. Fa dhamma waw sukun. Fu. Fa dhamma waw sukun. Fu. The next syllable we have is Fa kasra ya sukun. Fa is a light letter. It has kasra underneath, followed by ya, and ya has hidden sukun. Fa kasra ya sukun. Fi. Fa kasra ya sukun. Fi. Fa kasra ya sukun. Fi. So now all 3 syllables we have Fa, Fu, Fi. Fa, Fu, Fi. Fa, Fu, Fi. So the next few slides would be sounds only. Ta, Tu, Ti. Ta, Tu, Ti. Ta, طو طي ضا ضو ضي ضا ضو ضي ضا ضو ضي فا فو في فا فو في فا فو في. So this is the end of this session. We will practice those 9 syllables 10 times in next session, just to give you enough practice, inshallah. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.